Have you ever created a document in LibreOffice and needed to share with someone who uses Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint? If yes, and if you ever had trouble with formatting issue or files that won't open correctly, this video is for you. So the first method is very easy. You need to go to File, Save As, and from here, instead of ODF text document, you need to change to Word 365 document, docx. And now you can share this file on this format. The same using an calc file, ODS file. So you go to File, Save As, the same thing, and from here in the Format field, you choose Excel 365. The same for a presentation. You go to File, Save As, and from here you choose PowerPoint 365 file. If you don't want to do that every day, then it's an easy option. So let's open first our ODP presentation. And now let's go to Tools, Options, Load, Save, and from here in the General tab you have this option here. So for a presentation we don't want to save as ODF, but we want 365 format, and disable this option. For text document you want the same 365 document, and for spreadsheet you want Excel 365. Apply and OK. And now if I'm opening a new presentation instead, so if I open a new presentation and I want to save, you can see in the title I don't have a format, but when I'm saving, you can see here I have PowerPoint format. The same if I'm opening a new text document. If I'm saving, it's asking me for a name, and also it's a Word 365 document. So those are the two methods of using Microsoft format: manually changing when saving, so I press save and change from here the format I need, or from settings, and all the times the default format will be Microsoft format. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.